Okay. You have it on? We're about to try carrots for the first time. Andrew! Ah, you're so excited. What do you think? You want to try some more? You should get more in your mouth than all over your face. What do you think? I think you like it. You sound like a little dinosaur or something. Yummy? Do you like carrots? What do you think? You need to do something other than blow bubbles on the spoon.
Yeah. Your little bubble blower.
I think we like it.
Yay.
Oh, Andrew.